Today, I'll walk you through how to fix the Snapchat back camera not working, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot this issue so you can get back to capturing those special moments with ease. First, let's start by accessing your device settings. Open the Settings app on your smartphone. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Apps or Applications. Tap on it to proceed. This is where you can manage all the applications installed on your device. Next, look for Snapchat in the list of apps. It might take a moment to find it, so don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The layout can vary depending on your device. Once you locate Snapchat, tap on it to open the app settings. Now here's an important step. Make sure that the camera permissions are enabled. You should see an option for permissions within the Snapchat settings. Ensure that the camera is toggled on. This is crucial for the app to access your back camera. If it's already enabled, you might want to toggle it off and then back on again just to refresh the settings. If the camera is enabled but the issue persists, the next step is to manage and clear the app's data and cache. In the Snapchat settings, look for options labeled Storage or Data. Here, you'll find the option to clear cache. Go ahead and tap that. This action can help resolve any temporary glitches that might be causing the camera to malfunction. After clearing the cache, it's a good idea to restart the app and check if the back camera is now functioning. If it still didn't work, don't worry, there's one more step we can take. Head over to the Play Store or App Store depending on your device. Search for Snapchat and check if there's an update available. Keeping your apps updated is essential, as updates often include bug fixes and improvements. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. This might just solve the issue. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Snapchat back camera not working. Remember, troubleshooting can sometimes take a moment, so be patient with the process. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.